Magandang gabi po, magandang umaga at magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Mga kaibigan, welcome po sa my channel ko po. Welcome to my channel. This time, gusto ko pong ibahagi sa inyo ang benepisyo ng atis o you call it sugar apple. So, 26 health benefits of atis. Fruits number 21, surprising you. Atis fruit, or known as sugar apples, sweets of our custard apple, is a tropical fruit which native to American and West Indies. Atis is the name Annona squamosa fruit, derived from the Philippines word. It is a tall woody shrub plant which can reach 5 to 6 meters in height and has irregularly spreading branches. Atis fruit has a oval, conical or round shape with dark green color and has the desperation mark which give quilted appearances on the fruity skin surface. It has a creamy white flesh with sweet and smooth texture. People love to eat the flesh of atis fruit as dessert since it also contains same water and sour, sweet flavor which to suit to hot weather. They also put the flesh as salad or added ingredients on ice cream. Atis fruit is mostly grown American, India, China, Philippines, Egypt, and Central Africa. Nutritional facts of atis fruits: nutrition values, calories, grams. Then water, grams, 22 grams. Carbohydrates, 20 grams. Total dietary fiber, 20 grams. Fat, 0.60 grams. Tryptophan, 9 milligrams. Lysine, 60 milligram. Methionine, 7.5 mg. Vitamin C, 40 mg. Thiamine, 0.12 mg. Riboflavin, 0.14 mg. Niacin, 80 mg. Carotene, 6. Phosphorus, 40 mg. Calcium, 30 mg. Iron, 10 mg. Health benefits of atis fruit for human health is a very important. Its nutrients could help our body healthy. Atis fruit or sugar apple provides many benefits for your body. Here are some of those benefits. Number 1, improved digestion system. Atis fruits contain rich fiber that are commonly known serve many benefits for digestion system. Fiber is a substance which can help bowel movement and ease the process of digestion in intestine. Number 2, prevent cancer. This is the most fascinating benefits that fruits gives to you. As common fruit, atis contain antioxidant, the main factor to combat and neutralizing free radicals that possibly trigger DNA damage and causing cancer. The antioxidant function in atis fruit is severed by vitamin C and beta-carotene. In one single serving of atis fruits contain 40 milligrams of vitamin C. Number 3, maintain healthy heart. Again, the fiber contained in atis fruit also play a role in keeping healthy cardiovascular tract by keeping normal blood circulation and blood vessel. Consuming atis fruits regularly can help you to keep your heart healthy and reduce the risk of developing heart disease. Atis fruit also contains amount of potassium which is important in keeping regular heartbeat. 4, calming nerve. The sweet scenes of atis fruit may relax your feeling and you will be better when you eat. Atis fruit contain magnesium that are very important. Its neural function, it helps to calming nerve and induce neurotransmitter in brain that may affect to your mood. 5, alleviate stress. As it has calming nerve effects, means that by consuming atis fruit you can reduce your level of stress. Take some amount of atis fruit and eat with it ice cream. That will do to help you remove stress. Number 6, para sa mga stress po yan. So, effective rin po yan. 6. Keep beauty skin. Everyone loves beauty skin, especially women's. These fruits contain high numbers of vitamin C, which acts as antioxidants that protect the skin from free radical exposure. Vitamin C also responsible to brighten your skin and make it glowing. Same women even made artists as face mask to lighten up the skin and remove dullness. Number 7, cure constipation. Drinking artist fruit juice will not only quench your thirst but also prevent and cure constipation. Artist fruit contains fiber which promote healthy bowel movement and increase digestive function and reduce the risk of developing constipation. Artist fruit also contain kaffir, a mineral which help to reduce constipation. 8. Relaxing muscle. Feeling tired and stiff after gym or working? Don't worry, artist fruit may help you to relax your muscle. High amount the magnesium contained in artist fruit will help you to relax your muscle, and it also remove the accumulation of lactic acid in muscles that cause fatigue. 9. Help in weight loss. Curvy waistline and losing body fat is a dream for some people. Artist fruit can help you make it real. Consuming artist fruit regularly can help you increase bulk in the stomach and prevent you for hunger. It also reduce the fat cell in the body. So if you are a diet program, you can include artist fruit in your meal. Number 10, prevent from scurvy. Health benefits of artist fruit is for preventing scurvy. Scurvy is a health problem which occurs in mouth. It is usually caused by bacteria infection. Artist fruit contains vitamin C that may help to prevent scurvy and inhibit the bacteria grown in mouth. 11. Maintain healthy metabolism and provide energy. A group of vitamin B complex is contained in artist fruits. Vitamin B complex are required in the body metabolism process. They are the component of enzyme and cofactor which undergo the metabolism process. Metabolism is important for the body to provide energy and maintain organ cells and tissue function. Number 12, lowering cholesterol level. Fiber has potential effect in lowering blood cholesterol serum and prevent it from blocking the blood vessel. Artist fruit rich in fiber and also contains niacin, one of vitamin B type, which has significant effect in increasing good fat or HDL, high density lipoprotein in the body. Number 13, prevent atherosclerosis. As I mentioned before, the fruit has significant effect in lowering cholesterol level. It may help the body to block it from entering blood vessel and developing atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis is a condition where the blood vessels become thicker than normal. This thickening of blood vessel wall may lead to high blood pressure. Number 14, boost immune function. Vitamin C in artist fruit can boost the immune system function and help to combat disease. When your body lack of immune, such as having cold or flu, you can just consume artist fruit to boost your immune system and heal faster. 15, prevent anemia. Most important artist benefit is for anemia preventing fruit, as this fruit contains some amount of iron that important in the red blood cells productions. Lack of iron may cause anemia or condition where the body lack of red blood cell. Anemia make your body work since the red blood cell is required in delivering oxygen and nutrition to your body. Number 16, keep strong bones. Calcium has been linked to keep healthy strong bones. Artist fruit contains calcium, which are important to keep bone mass. It also contains magnesium that is same important in keeping strong bone. Without magnesium, calcium can't be absorbed by the body to build strong bones. Number 17, promote healthy hair. Vitamin A is not only important in maintaining healthy vision, it also can keep healthy hair and prevent hair loss. Artist fruit also help to nourish the roots and make it moist and smooth. 18. Prevent newborn baby disorder. Attis fruits contains vitamin B9 or folate that are important in developing fetus in womb. Pregnant women should be considered to fulfill the needs of folate to prevent disorder such as neutral tube damage in her newborn baby. Consuming Attis fruits can help to fulfill to recommend daily allowance of folate. Number 19. Maintain thyroid function. Thyroid is a gland of hormones that control some body and or organ functions such as growth and metabolism. Copper, which contain in Attis fruit, can help the body to maintain healthy thyroid function. Number 20, prevent asthma. Attis fruit is a good for people who are suffering asthma. By consuming Attis fruit, you deliver some amounts of vitamin C to your body, which are potential antioxidant substance that may reduce the risk of developing asthma and decrease inflammation of the respiratory tract. 21. Prevent from diabetes. Diabetes is one of the generation disease that has become epidemic nowadays. Diabetes may cause several health problems, and even that lack of consuming fiber is one of the causes of diabetes. Dietary fiber contains in Attis fruit can slower sugar absorption in the body and reduce the risk of developing diabetes, especially type 2. Number 22, treat premenstrual syndrome. Number 22, treat premenstrual syndrome. Premenstrual syndrome is a condition which occurs on the woman's body during menstrual period. PMS may cause several problems such as weakness, bad mood, cramping, and fatigue. It is believed that consuming Attis fruit can treat and reduce the symptoms of PMS. PMS means premenstrual syndrome. Number 23, reduce inflammation. Vitamin C contained in Attis fruit also effective in reduce inflammation such as in people who suffer arthritis. Number 24, increase concentration. Not many people know that Attis fruit can provide this benefit. Yes, Attis fruit contains several types of amino acid such as tryptophan and lysine, which is important in keeping brain function. 25, cure morning sickness. It is believed that Attis fruit can cure morning sickness in women and can be alternative to oat milk be consumed by pregnant women who are allergic to dairy product. And lastly, 26, fights acne. Not only brighten the skin, Attis fruit can be used to treat acne and pimples. Just rub some of a smooth flesh of Attis fruit and let for some minutes. Attis fruits contain some substance which can reduce inflammation. Those are the benefits of Attis fruits that you should know. If you want to purchase it market, make sure you choose only fresh fruit and avoid to buy the fruit. If you find it moldy and the skin are no longer green, there is no health side reported by eating Attis fruit, but you can limit it by 2 fruits maximum a day. Go get the Attis fruit and grab the benefits. Okay, this is the end of my topic about the 26 health benefits of Attis fruits, or you call it sugar apple. To all my friends and viewers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch all my video, first group video, second group video, and third group videos. Alright, thank you. God bless you. More blessings to come and more power.